गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है फ्राइडे और 10:30 बज रहे हैं एंड मैंने कल कोई ब्लॉग नहीं डाला था फॉर टू रीजंस। एक, मेरे को लगा था दैट आई विल अपलोड अ वीडियो वेयर आई विल टीच यू गाइस हाउ टू एडिट व्लॉग्स इन जनरल, बट मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला वो वीडियो शूट करने का या फिर एडिट करने का, सो दैट डिड नॉट हैपन। एंड अनदर थिंग, इन जनरल फॉर वेरी सम रीजन आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई वाज एंजॉयिंग माय ऑफिस वर्क लाइक क्रेजी yesterday। मतलब बड़ा मजा आ रहा था मेरे को, तो मैं इतने मजे मजे में मैं शूट ही नहीं करी, मतलब मैं भूल गई, मतलब आई वाज जस्ट हैविंग सो मच फन। दैट इज द रीजन आई कुड नॉट अपलोड अ व्लॉग yesterday, बट दैट्स ओके, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। टुडे आई एम बैक। तो आज मैंने वर्क फ्रॉम होम लिया है बिकॉज आई हैव अ वर्कशॉप दिस वीकेंड विच इज सैटरडे एंड संडे, 2 hours long workshop. I have to prepare the presentation for them because my entire week was so busy, काम to the point कि मुझे सुबह 4 बजे उठ के भी तक काम करना पड़ रहा था। आई वॉज दैट बिजी, तो मैं बिल्कुल अपनी वर्कशॉप के लिए टाइम नहीं निकाल पाई। तो हेंस आई थॉट इट्स फेयर इनफ दैट आई टेक अ डे ऑफ। Shooty today. It's shooty today. Yay. Let's go. Let's do it. And the weather seems so nice today. See, it's so nice. Very sunny. So मैंने एक्चुअली चाय पी ली है। I have to start planning the workshop, but before that, I just have a small story to tell. So there's this uncle, Zepto का delivery boy. So I ordered bananas or something. So वो delivery करके गए, and then he came back to my house saying that his phone is discharged. So would I be able to put it on charge for a while जब तक वो कुछ errands run करके आ रहे हैं? I accepted it. Okay, तो अभी उनका फोन जो है वो चार्जिंग पे मैंने रखा हुआ है, but I'm very paranoid, so I've covered the phone completely with something. I've just made sure there's nothing ulta sida with that. You should extend help, but I think not at the cost of your safety ever. I've done it, you don't do it. So I was getting a bit paranoid about the phone, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने उसको अपने एक छोटे से हैंड बैग में रैप करके बाहर रख दिया। Now I'm gonna have lunch, which is sabudana, and अभी तक आपने देख लिया होगा that I make sabudana in a सब्जी style. Guys, a little struggle of life. मैं कपड़े धो रही थी और मैं वॉशिंग मशीन में पानी डाल रही थी और मैं फिर कुछ काम करने बैठ गई और भूल गई, और अब मेरी टंकी में तो पैसे का पानी नहीं बचा है और पानी शाम को 7:30 बजे होगा, अभी 5 भी नहीं बचे। What? Look at this. It's gone. It's gone. It's not there. It's not nice. अभी रात के कितने बज गए हैं? 10, 10:30 बज गए हैं। And as you can see, I've just taken a shower. मैंने बाल भी धोए हैं and I'm feeling very nice. And I have like my crown on my head. अभी 2 चीजें करने वाली हूँ मैं। पहला, I'm gonna do a bit of skincare, which honestly I've not done for like 200 years. So I should do it. And there are a lot of products that I have in my vanity. I should just use them. इससे पहले कोई expire हो जाए. So before I do anything, I'm gonna do toner and I'm gonna do what is this? Eye patch. This one's from Hyphen. This one's from Dot and Key. ये मैंने तब लिए थे when I was in the era of doing skincare and stuff. Now I'm not. Or I would just, this is how the pads look like. Take one. Or should I do the eye patch first? I don't know. So I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna do another one here. मुझे ये नहीं पता कि स्किन केयर ऑनेस्टली कुछ करता है या नहीं, बट डज इट मेक यू फील गुड? शुड आई डू वन हियर वन हियर? ज्यादा फनी हो जाएगा नहीं? कर लेते हैं, चलो। देखो, चीजें खराब करने से तो बेहतर है कि यूज ही कर लूं। Hey, I look super funny. Now I'm gonna take the eye patches. Ooh, a lot of serum. This is how, I don't know. जगह तो बची नहीं आई पैच लगाने के लिए, पता नहीं किधर लगा रही हूँ। Should I put my eye patch first and then the toner pad? I don't know. Aankhein back on because I really need them. I look super funny. अभी कितना time हुआ है? 10:47, technically 10:50. I'm gonna wait till 11 and then I'm gonna get rid of these. Until then, I'm thinking to write my diary because I have not done so. काफी दिनों से. This is my journal. I have shown this to you guys in one of my vlogs earlier. If you're hearing a lot of background noise, that's my khat khat pankha. Okay, so I started, see, the first entry is on 20th December 2025. I started this like a year back. आज की डेट तक मैंने कितनी एंट्रीज भर दी हैं इतना फुल आई. This one, all of this is actually done. How many pages are left? This much only. So although जब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में शुरू किया था जर्नल लिखना, I planned to write a journal, a page on an everyday basis, and I was able to do it for quite, I think 3-4-5 महीने मैंने आराम से किया. But then of course life got very busy and I just could not take out time to do so. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मुझे जब भी जैसे भी टाइम मिले मैं कर पाऊँ. So today is one of those days. चलो now I think 11 बज गए हैं. 11 बज गए हैं. And now I'm going to get rid of these. Again, as I said, I don't know if they do anything, but does it make you feel good? Oh, 100%. Now for the moisturizer, I'm going to use this cream. Bought this on Myntra. 2000 की cream है. So I better use it. I like the formula for sure. Since I have to shoot a reel, I do have to do a bit of makeup. Pankha band kar diya maine because got the level of cut. So I'm using a primer. So I'm gonna do a bit around my eyes, and I think this is where only I'll put my foundation. And for foundation today, I have a lot of them, but the ones that I end up using most of the times is either from Maybelline or either from L'Oreal. Okay, unka True Match. I really love that. But since I have a few other ones, I think it's fair that we use them as well. So today I'm going to use this one. This is called Face Scar. And it's not exactly a foundation. It's more like a tint. It's in the shade. I don't know the shade. It's in the shade. Shade is not written, guys. Ooh, I think I need to shake this a bit. What time se use nahi kiya na? Now let's do that again. अब पानी पानी क्यों निकल रहा है? ऐसा तो नहीं था जहां तक मुझे लास्ट टाइम याद है. Please shake it again even more, like rigorous shaking. Let's do the third trial. Okay, better. It's really watery. I think I would like to use a powder. This one's from Maybelline. As you can see that I've been using it for quite some time. I'm going to use a powder brush. I actually have a smaller one, but I'm not going to bother finding it. If you're looking for good brushes, makeup brushes, please do give Mars brushes a try because they are genuinely affordable and very, very good. Now I'm just gonna do a bit of blush. This is a palette from Swiss Beauty, has been sitting in my vanity for again 200 years. Need to use it, otherwise I'll have to throw it. Wait. I really, really love this brush also, by the way. If let's say I'm traveling and if I want to carry just one brush with me, which does everything, I think this would be the one. I have used this for blending my foundation. I've used this for powder. I've used this for blush. I've used this for highlighter. I've used this for sometimes side. Yes. I need to get rid of this like right now. So yeah, the hair is done. And the last thing that I'm going to do is put on some lipstick. I'm going to do this one from Revlon. So here's my camera setup and here's my laptop. मैंने अपनी script जो है वो laptop में रख रखी है. I'm going to quickly shoot it and it's legit. At least the shooting is going to get done in legit like 5 minutes. So what happened जब मैं कपड़े धो रही थी, now I have this bad habit of keeping a lot of tissue papers in my pockets and stuff. एंड आई थिंक कि एक पैंट में या दो पैंट में टिश्यू पेपर है, तो ऑब्वियसली नाउ इट्स ऑल ओवर माई क्लोथ्स, बट आई वांट टू सी वेदर द ड्रायर इज एबल माई ड्रायर was able to get rid of those tissue paper pieces from the clothes or not. If it does the job, I would really be surprised. Like I would really be surprised. I think मेरे जितने भी पैसे इस ड्रायर में लगे हैं सब वसूल हो जाएंगे. Guys, I am seriously सरप्राइज्ड. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. दिस वाज द पजामा एंड बहुत खराब हो गया था, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब हो गया था. देयर वर टिश्यू पेपर्स ऑल ओवर दिस एंड लुक एट there is no trace of it having tissue paper on it ever. Like it's just gone. I am very surprised. I'm very happy. I'm very surprised. And I'm actually gonna look at other pieces of clothes as well, जिसके ऊपर भी टिश्यू पेपर्स लगे हुए थे. See, it's all gone. It's like it was never there. यार क्या दिन आ गए. साफ कपड़े मिल जाते तो खुशी हो जाती है. And let me show you guys where everything goes. So this you see. Let's take this out and see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is where all the tissue paper and the dirt and everything. See, you can see the tissue papers at the bottom of this. This is where it all goes, and it has cleaned the clothes like crazy. I'm like super impressed. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.